Hey folks, I've got my Hart from Walmart 20-volt battery-powered weed eater here. I'm going to show you how to replace the string when you run out. First thing to do, take the battery out just so you don't accidentally trigger something while you're working. Secondly, if you've got any string left in the head, you're going to have to take this head apart and take the string out. Some people have a whole lot of difficulty because this is not a great design. I'll post a link on a way to do that if it doesn't just open up on its own. Otherwise, let's get to the next step. The next thing you need is 10 feet of string, either 0.080 or 0.095 inch string. You need 10 feet of it. I'm going to use the 080 because this one's not a real powerful weed eater, and the thicker string requires more power from a weed eater. So I'm just going to ballpark about 10 feet here. On the underside here, you want to spin this blue piece until this main groove, this arrow here, lines up with the arrow on the gray piece, which incidentally is where the holes are. And then you're going to feed this through one hole, and it needs to come out the other side. And when you do this enough, you'll start to be able to feel when it goes off track. That one felt pretty good. Yep, look at that. So you just keep trying if it doesn't go in. And now you're going to pull the string through until you have equal lengths on each side coming out of each hole. Then you're going to either turn this with your bare hand, and every couple turns just tug real gently, not real hard, but real gently, to make sure it's winding tightly inside, and then keep spinning that, tug on it just real gently. It also comes with this turning tool. You can use that if that's helpful. It's not bad. Tug a little bit. Some of these are harder to turn by hand than others. And there you go. This blade would cut this off, but the one side looks like about the right length. Other side, I'll just cut it off here. That's all there is to it. Now the weed eater is ready to go. Hopefully that's helpful. And if it was, I'd appreciate a like and a subscribe, but thanks for watching.